Recently, there has been a dump in the crypto market. Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, every major crypto is dumping towards the downside. Not a major dump, but yes, there is a correction. I would say it is a retest. Why it is happening? And for me, it is normal. And I will discuss each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and if you have watched my previous couple of videos on Bitcoin, you already know about this downwards trend line. This one right over here, this downwards trend line, and I told you all that the price of Bitcoin has done a breakout of this trend line, and right now it is dumping towards the downside for a retest. So right now, as you can see, this whole trend line is the support for Bitcoin, and right now Bitcoin is only dumping towards the downside for a retest, a correction. Whenever a breakout happens, the price comes down for a correction. Okay, so I mean, nothing to worry about. And obviously I am not in any long or short position, neither on Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, so I don't have to worry about anything. Even if the price dumps all the way down till $80,000 or it pumps, I'll just wait patiently to enter in a good at the right time, rather than fearing out or be in greediness. Would say this is just a very small dump, nothing much in the crypto market, no news right now. See, I'll be honest, crypto is already manipulative. You already know that Bitcoin is manipulated, and any major news, then Bitcoin price pumps or dumps rapidly. I'll be honest, bull market is over. The top has already been made at 100k level, right? And there is no news right now for Bitcoin that can make Bitcoin reach $100,000 once again, because you see, Trump is the president now. Everyone was saying that if Trump becomes the president, then Bitcoin will reach $500,000, $200,000, crazy targets. And everyone was saying if Bitcoin strategic reserve will be made in America, then this will be a game changer. You already know that scam happened. Bitcoin strategic reserve has been created, but it's a scam. You already know, I've already made a video about it. And right now I don't think so there is any major news remaining for Bitcoin that can turn out to be bullish enough that the price can again reach 100k. I'll be really honest, if I zoom out, you can clearly see this was the time when price of Bitcoin started to getting manipulated, when the spot Bitcoin ETF was approved, right? So this time price was getting manipulated of Bitcoin, and it reached all-time high, and then we saw the whole year in a sideways movement. And then when the Trump won the election, we saw another huge pump towards the upside, reaching 100k, but we never saw a major correction towards the downside. After this huge move towards the upside, we never saw a good correction towards the downside. Same is here also, we saw rapid manipulative move, but we never saw a huge correction towards the downside. So I expect the price of Bitcoin to go all the way down till $20,000 as well, because it is already getting manipulated because of MicroStrategy, Ponzi scheme, USDT scam, and spot Bitcoin ETFs. So I expect this, and yeah, this is the reality. I mean, $70,000 is also a very realistic target for Bitcoin, but let's see what happens, how long this scam will continue. So talking about Ethereum right now, and as I said that the price of Ethereum is pumping slowly just to come for a retest exactly at this level, because see, this is a very important purple zone from $2,117 to $2,170, and we saw a huge breakdown towards the downside. After that, without a retest, just to be sure, after that we saw a huge, I won't say huge, a very small pump, slow pump towards the upside. And I told you all that the price of Ethereum will come near this zone for a retest, and it can dump again in the future, and the same thing happened. We can see the price of Ethereum dumping. Right now the price of Ethereum is in middle of nowhere. It is in middle, and I won't take a trade on Ethereum until and unless the price of Ethereum either comes near this purple zone or this, then only I will take a trade. I don't take a trade in middle, and I only take trade on my levels. So let's see what happens. I'm not taking any trade on Ethereum right now, and not on Bitcoin as well, and not on Solana as well. So let's see what happens. So yes, this is it for today's video. Nothing much. The crypto market is probably dead. Not any major news or any major moves coming in the market. There is a small dump in the price of Bitcoin, but that is nothing. I'm not taking any trade on Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana. That's just my personal analysis. And talking about other cryptos, other altcoins, they will also follow the same thing that Bitcoin is doing, Ethereum is doing. So yeah, nothing much right now in crypto. Let's see any good news comes, but I'll be honest, I'm waiting for a bad news. I'm waiting for the price of Bitcoin and crypto to crash, because that is the reality. And for the past couple of months I'm talking about it, that this has to happen and happen. Price is already getting manipulated a lot, and Bitcoin is already hijacked, and this is the reality. And let's see, I'm a trader. I just find moves in the market to trade, and also aware you guys as well. Nothing of this is a financial advice. Do your own analysis, do learn from yourself. Okay, you can watch my videos or any other YouTubers videos, but don't copy trade them. Learn from your own trades and improve. This is it. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. If you don't want, it's okay, you can just create an account on any exchange, but do not fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.